Hello and welcome to this build video of the Revell F-4J Phantom 2 in 1/72 scale. The kit was reissued by Revell in 2016. The original kit was by Monogram in 1979. The F-4J Phantom 2 was introduced into the US Navy in 1966 as an improved version of the F-4B. The last Phantom was retired from the Navy in 1987. The kit consists of 85 parts in total. The construction starts with the cockpit, where several parts have to be painted. The seats are nicely detailed and the harness can be painted well with a brush. The fuselage and the wings have a very good fit, only little filler and sanding work is necessary. Now I'm finishing the cockpit so that the fuselage can be glued together. The auxiliary tanks and armament need some rework due to flash and slight fit inaccuracy. The rockets and landing gear and the tank are painted in white later. The white color I used does not cover very good, so several steps of painting are necessary. The engine intake consists of two parts each. Here you can see some sanding of an auxiliary tank. The flaps can be shown either retracted or extended. The engine intakes do not fit exactly and have to be filled and sanded. However, care must be taken when sanding, as the panel lines are not reseized, as this will be destroyed. This is a second painting of the armament and additional tanks. Here I'm attaching the canopy. It's also very poor fitting accuracy. It is the best to display the model with the canopy opened as alternatively shown in the instruction. If the model is shown with the canopies closed, it must also be sanded and filled. Now I'm grade priming of the entire model and subsequent light gold gray painting of the upper side and underside and flaps in white. The aircraft nose and tail are painted in black. The tip of the rudder and the wingtips are painted in medium yellow. After that, the wool aircraft is prepared for the decals with glossy clear varnish. The bombs are painted in black-green. The decals are of very good quality. The most difficult ones are the diagonal stripes on both sides. The aircraft is painted again with gloss clear coat and then with a satin clear coat. The tail section gets steel and aluminium color tones. For this I primed with glossy black to improve the effect. The same applies to wing leading edges and engine intakes. Now the undercarriage can be finished and glued on. It is very good that the rims are separated from the tires on the main landing gear. This makes painting much easier. The engine intakes and some ventilation flaps get a light wash to highlight the depth. The final job is to glue the armament to the finished aircraft. Now 2 more pictures of the finished model before I come to the conclusion. Positive about the kit are the details, the good decal quality, and the price. Negative are the raised panels and rivets, which make sanding and filling difficult, and the inaccuracy of fit of the cockpit canopy and the engine intakes, which I show you here. With that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Goodbye and see you soon on this channel.